Hey there, so here's a girl with another locks tutorial for you. So this is my client, her first time with me. It's been a year since she started her sister locks journey and she desperately needed my help. So we did some retouch. This is the finished product of the retouch. As you can see, the hair looks a lot more LT with the repairing that I've done. And we decided to trim the hair because again, they were sort of uneven. So this is the finished product. She's loving it. I am loving it. It took us approximately 5 hours to complete this. If you're ready to start your locks journey, just reach out to us at Sisters to Sisters Beauty.